Did you know China encompasses 5 time zones? But is it all one time zone? China officially follows a single time zone known as China Standard Time, CST, despite its vast geographical expanse that theoretically spans 5 time zones. This decision to use a single time zone for the entire country has historical, political, and practical reasons. Historical context. Historically, China had a system of local mean time, where each city would set its clocks based on the local position of the sun. This resulted in significant variations in time across the country. The adoption of a single time zone was introduced during the Qing dynasty in 1912 for the sake of national unity and to streamline communication and transportation. Political unification. Using a single time zone promotes national unity, emphasizing a cohesive identity and reducing potential divisions that might arise from having multiple time zones. It reinforces the idea of a centralized government and a unified country with a single standard for time. Economic and practical considerations. A single time zone simplifies administration, communication, and business operations, especially for a country as large and populous as China. It streamlines scheduling, logistics, and coordination across the nation, avoiding the complexities associated with different time zones within the same country. Challenges and criticisms. Despite its practical advantages, the use of a single time zone has been criticized, particularly in the western regions of China. In these areas, daylight hours can differ significantly from what the clock indicates, impacting daily routines. Critics argue that using a single time zone for such a vast country doesn't align with the natural solar patterns in many regions, leading to issues like Beijing time not synchronizing well with local daylight hours. Alternative approaches. Some regions, especially in the western part of the country, unofficially adhere to their own local time, leading to a certain degree of flexibility in daily activities. In summary, while China spans a vast longitudinal distance that could encompass multiple time zones, it officially follows a single time zone to promote national unity, simplify governance, and streamline economic activities. However, this approach is not without its criticisms and local variations in practice.
Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. CBSE. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focused classes from 6 to 10. Beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.